Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome to my channel. Shelby here. I'm here today because I want to do me some makeup. I have a look that I saw. It's kind of an inspo look that I saw on the, let's see, Noir World, I want to say. I think that's the name of the Instagram. I'll put it right here for you so you can see the name of it. But anyway, what it was a very blown out pink and deep scarlet kind of a look with a wing and lashes, and I am going to try to recreate that look. I'm really excited to try it like I usually am. I'm also going to be using my Fenty primer, my Fenty concealer as an eyelid primer in the shade 360. It's the first time I've used it that way, so I'm looking forward to seeing how it turns out. If you are interested in seeing the steps to get that look and how it goes with me trying it, stay tuned. If you are not already a subscriber or a member of the larger Shelby Ruth family, please go down to the bottom, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join the team. I'm like 99.999999% sure that you are going to love my content, and so I think that you should just do yourself a favor and do me a solid and join the team. Let's hop into the look. As you can see, I've already done my brows, and I did already prep my eyes with the new Fenty Pro Filter concealer, aka The Cure, in the color 360, and then I also set that with the Huda powder. I'm doing another review where I'm trying to combine the Huda powder and the Fenty powders together to see what happens. And I don't know how I feel about it yet. I'll make sure I put a link down below to that review. I'll probably use this EyeLook in that review. It's part of a larger series, so hopefully you will go watch that too. You know, just hang out, watch another video. I'm going to start out with kind of the halo, which is going to be a blown out hot pink lid, and then a deeper, darker red lid over the eye. So and for that, I'm going to be using the Ultimate Edit palette and the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette, Desi times Katie times 2. And let's see what we come up with. So I'm going to go in with this domed shader from, I think this is from Crown Brushes, and I'm going to go into this really nice pink, hot pink color that doesn't seem to have a name, but that's okay. And I'm going to put this on my lid in this area here. Ooh, that's nice and pigmented. Wow. Just so that the transition isn't quite so. Next, I'm going to put some concealer right on the middle of my lid so that I have a nice foundation for the next color to hold on to, which is going to be our nice deep red, or maroon rather, burgundy if you will. Girl Bye, right here, let's see, with Girl Bye from the Desi times Katie collection. Going back with that same clean brush from before. Just gonna mix the two in. Now the question is, do I want to add any glitter? There's no glitter in the inspo, but I'm always tempted. I don't think I will. I'll keep it simple. I mean, as simple as a neon pink eye is, you know, generally. So I'm going to go ahead and line this eye with the Too Faced You're So Too Faced sketch liner. I'm going to line my lid, my lash line rather. Okay, so I like where this is. I like the way it looks. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll come back. Alright, so both eyes are done. I'm going to go ahead and speed through my face really quickly, and then I'll come back and show you my finished look. Now we're going to go in with the 360 Fenty Pro Filt'r No Creasing Cure Concealer. We are ready to go in with our Huda powder. I'm going to go in with a small blush brush from Stila. I'm just going to press this in under my eye. I mean, come on. The Huda powder, though. Wow, spam. Just wow. Just always. Just wow. I'm going to go into the Fenty in Hazelnut and just set the darker parts of my face. I'm going to go in with Yacht Life as a blush. I've never tried this before. Interesting. Let me buff that out. I think I'm gonna like it. Let's see. Ooh. Well, I might have just did something there, though. Okay. Okay, fam. All right. All right. I see you. I see you. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let me go ahead and highlight with the Marc Jacobs Glitzy highlight. I'm just switching it up because I'd like to have a slightly different color for the weekend, and I've already got a pinky gold thing going, so I'm just going to add that in right on top. And I am going to be glowing. Keep it going. I think I will put it's a teensy bit of bronzer underneath my cheekbones, just a little bit, because the Fenty powder is not really intended to be a bronzer. We wear it that way, but it doesn't have to be. It's not really supposed to be. Just warming up my face just a little bit. And this is you know, Deep Dark from MAC. Also using the same bronzer, I'm going to just go down the sides of my nose. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray in All Nighter. Hope you don't mind me swapping it up. I don't know where my e.l.f. one is, so. Oh, I forgot to do my under eye. Y'all. Okay. I'm going to do that real quick. While you were gone, guess what I discovered? She does have glitter in her inner corner highlight. So I'm going to go in with September and maybe a little bit of Spill the Tea from Shayla's Perception palette to see if I can get the same color that she's got. Oh my goodness. Shayla. You know, and ColourPop, you know. Shayla ain't got a factory, but like, still. Can you? Oh. Very, very nice. Okay, and I think I will top it with a little bit of Strat & Slay, just to give it a little something extra. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay. Focus. Bring yourself back down to earth. There you go. I think I got so excited I forgot to do the middle of my nose. I did. I'm all over the place today, guys. I'm going back in to hit bridge of my nose and tip of my nose. Go ahead and put some mascara, going in with the Kush mascara from Milk Makeup. I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lashes real quick. almost made it. I literally almost made it. Doggone it. Okay. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Mild panic attack. Just a little one. Okay, we got a lot of good stuff going. We got eyes, we got lashes, we got brows that are just to the gods, okay? I have a high bun. It's a good day. It's a good day. Look at them cheeks. Look at them cheeks. Look at them cheeks. Hey, I see you. I hear you. I respect you. We will not be dismissed. We are lifted. Lifted. Okay, anyways, sorry. So, focusing. 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 Okay. So this is where we come into the big girl decisions. Do we go hot pink or do we go nude? Hot pink or Fenty? I feel like I should go nude because the pink is expected. For me, at least, because I'll slather these lips up with just about anything brightly colored, or nude colored, or honestly anything colored. I'm good at putting stuff on my lips and then just wearing it around. You know what, self, you're right. Let's go nude, and we'll top it with some Pat McGrath gold colored gloss, and it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be good. We're gonna make it work. Oh, we're gonna make it work. Oh. Okay, let me look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. I'm gonna look at me. I'm sorry. Look at. I'm sorry. Let me stop looking at me over there being cute though. Yeah. And let's put on lipstick. This is in the shade Uncuffed. Apparently the trick is to take this ingeniously designed applicator and use the point as a liner and then fill in the middle with the flat. Now that is ingenious, but you must remember to wipe off the excess. Otherwise, that don't work. And of course, the most important thing is patience. Ooh. Okay. Do we need gloss? I think just a little in the middle will be plenty. So I'm taking it and I'm wiping off the wand and I'm just gonna pat. I'm gonna pat on my pad. There you go. And I'm gonna have to clean off my applicator. Oh well. Yes, yes. Oh, 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 oh. Watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, okay. This serious time, serious time. Okay. Yo, I'm feeling this. Thank you so much for the inspo. Sis's name on Noir Beauty. Let me see. Find it for you. On Noir Beauty World is at qb.makeup. Let's see. This is what her video looks like. And this is going in with that Colored Rain palette. I wish I had it. I might need to go get it. But wow. Thank you for your inspo. Thank you. I'm looking forward to sharing this with her. I think that people are inspired, even if you only kind of get it. I think they still appreciate it when you are inspired and you share with them what they've put out in the world. I love that about the beauty community. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you didn't, you'll enjoy the next one. I don't know, but if you want me to be any more serious, less funny, less cute, or less honest, I don't have nothing for you. But you can stay and hate in the comments. Go down to the bottom. Hate in the comments. I appreciate that. That's engagement, folks. Anyways, thanks so much, y'all. Ciao for now.